Hey everyone, for this video, I'll teach you how to get the Roblox voice chat option without using an ID. With this tutorial, you will be able to talk and communicate with other people on Roblox using your voice without needing an ID to do so. The first step is opening Roblox. Now that you're here, go to Settings. The Settings is where you can make changes to your account, like changing your name, email, password, display names, and all of that. But if we go to Privacy, right here, we can actually see the mic option, which is right here. It says Enable Voice Chat. Enabling voice chat will use your microphone input in voice-enabled experiences. If you can't see this, then that means Roblox hasn't picked you yet to be their beta tester. So all you have to do is just wait until they release the update or you become a beta tester. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.